Most people get AI voice and sound editing software wrong by assuming they are complicated or only for pros, but Altered Studio makes it surprisingly easy to transform audio. Altered Studio is an AI-powered platform that allows users to modify voices, create character voices, and even generate realistic speech for content, games, or videos. The surprising truth: you don't need advanced audio engineering skills to produce professional quality results. When I tested it, I was able to take a plain voice recording and turn it into multiple unique character voices in just a few minutes. The interface is intuitive. You upload your audio, select a voice or style, adjust pitch and tone, and preview instantly. There's also a library of voices that range from natural human tones to animated, stylized characters. Most people get this wrong by thinking AI-generated voices sound robotic, but in Altered Studio, the voices are impressively realistic, and subtle adjustments make them feel alive. One standout feature is real-time voice modification. For streamers or content creators, you can speak live and have your voice altered in real time, which opens up creative possibilities for videos, podcasts, or live events. Additionally, the platform allows exporting in high-quality audio formats compatible with most editing software. In conclusion, Altered Studio is a powerful yet accessible tool for anyone looking to enhance their audio content. Most people get this wrong by underestimating how natural AI voices can sound. Now this platform proves that realistic voice transformation is no longer just for experts. Subscribe for more honest software reviews to see what's truly worth your time and money.